Unlocking the secret to lasting love, how Sigma men navigate their unique challenges. Greetings to all the Sigma enthusiasts out there. I'm excited to share some insightful dating advice tailored specifically for Sigma men, and trust me, it's as invigorating as your first cup of coffee in the morning. In this video, we will explore 10 distinct challenges that Sigma men encounter while searching for love, along with some straightforward yet unconventional strategies to simplify the process of finding the right partner. If you found it difficult to establish a lasting romantic connection while embracing your lone wolf persona, stay tuned. We are about to delve into the unique journey of Sigma men in their quest for enduring love. Much of the information in this video will be beneficial not only for Sigma men but also for other men seeking love, as well as for those who attract women with Sigma-like qualities. If you're new to my channel, my mission is to assist men in discovering, attracting, and maintaining meaningful relationships with women, or simply to enhance their interactions with the opposite sex. Welcome to Just the Tip. Let's begin by examining the specific challenges that Sigma men and women face in the complex realm of dating, followed by 10 unexpected solutions. 1. Lone wolf syndrome. As a Sigma man, you embody independence, which is commendable. However, this self-sufficiency can sometimes create an emotional barrier, making it appear as though you have a fortress around your heart. Striking a balance between being self-reliant and forming emotional connections can be quite challenging. 2. Emotional guardedness. Expressing your feelings may not come easily to you, my Sigma friends. Your introspective nature can lead to a gap in emotional communication. Believe it or not, allowing yourself to be vulnerable is akin to unlocking a hidden treasure chest. It's rare and incredibly rewarding. 3. Fear of vulnerability. Being open and vulnerable is not your forte, yet it is an essential component of building love. The fear of rejection, judgment, or simply being truly seen can hinder your ability to connect deeply with a woman. Remember, it's perfectly okay to let someone glimpse the real you. More on this shortly. 4. Selective seduction. Sigma men are known for their high standards, which is admirable. However, this can sometimes feel like searching for gold among a sea of pebbles. Your discerning nature might prolong your single status, but remember, quality always trumps quantity, and that's perfectly acceptable. 5. The mystery man. Naturally, Sigma men exude an air of mystery, and the idea of leaving others wanting more comes easily to you. However, it's crucial to provide enough intrigue to keep someone interested, otherwise, dating you might feel like trying to unlock a safe without the combination. Even the right woman may become weary if she can't break through your defenses. Letting someone in doesn't mean you have to relinquish your enigmatic charm or reveal all your secrets. 6. Introvert challenges. Introversion is not a flaw, rather, it is often misunderstood and mistakenly labeled as shyness or social awkwardness. This misconception can be frustrating. Embrace your quiet strength. There's nothing wrong with it, and in fact, it can be quite attractive. 7. Direct communication. Sigma men tend to prefer straightforwardness, but not everyone appreciates this level of directness. Sometimes your unfiltered words may come across as a bit brusque. A touch of finesse and sensitivity in your conversational delivery can make a significant difference. 8. Limited social circles. Sigma men often maintain smaller social circles, which can restrict your opportunities to meet new potential partners. We'll discuss ways to comfortably expand your social horizons shortly. 9. Finding your tribe. Sigma men flourish when they connect with like-minded individuals who understand them. However, since kindred spirits are often introverts themselves, locating them can be a bit of a challenge. If it is a walk in the park, it may not be as straightforward as it seems. It's likely that you and your partner are both lost in your own mental bubbles, earbuds in, eyes averted, cherishing your personal space. For Sigma men, having time alone isn't just a preference, it's as vital as breathing. However, harmonizing this deep need for solitude with a partner's desire for closeness can feel like walking a tightrope. The key is to find someone who not only respects your need for alone time but truly values it. When you discover a partner who sees your solitude as a strength rather than a barrier, it's like hitting the jackpot in a relationship. Before we dive deeper, does any of this sound familiar? If so, you might just be a Sigma. Don't worry, though, these relationship hurdles are merely small bumps on the road to finding love. Your individuality is your greatest asset, and when you meet the right person who embraces the real, unique you, there's no better feeling in the world. By the way, if you're enjoying this content, I'd really appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thanks so much for your support. Now, let's get into some clever and unexpected tips to help you navigate these Sigma dating challenges, starting with how to set and manage expectations in a relationship. 1. Embracing your inner lone wolf. Independence is a core part of who you are, and that's something to celebrate. At the same time, it's important to make space for connection. Sharing your inner world doesn't have to happen all at once. It can be a gradual process, like peeling back the layers of an onion. This approach not only keeps things interesting but also builds anticipation. For example, if your partner is used to people who are an open book, you might say something like, "I don't usually let people in on this part of me," or "It's rare for me to share this so early on." This lets her know she's special and that you're making an effort, which can deepen her appreciation. Ideally, she'll respond with something like, "I really appreciate you trusting me with this." 2. Breaking down emotional walls. If you tend to keep your emotions under lock and key, start by sharing small, manageable pieces. Think of it like offering bite-sized snacks instead of serving up a full meal right away. Over time, as trust grows, you'll feel ready for deeper conversations. Remember, showing vulnerability isn't a sign of weakness, especially for men, it's a powerful strength. To feel secure, decide ahead of time which emotions or experiences you're comfortable sharing and when. You could even be upfront by saying, "Talking about my feelings doesn't come naturally to me, so this is a big step." For an added touch of connection, try holding her hands and looking into her eyes with confidence yet gentleness. Hopefully, she'll respond with, "Thank you for sharing, I'll be patient as you open up." 3. Overcoming the fear of vulnerability. Opening up often means revisiting parts of your past that feel uncomfortable or even painful. Begin with small, low-stakes revelations and pay attention to how she reacts. As trust builds, you'll feel safer sharing the deeper stories you've kept hidden. You might say, "I find it hard to talk about my past, but I want to share this with you." This not only sets the stage for honesty but also shows your willingness to grow in the relationship. A supportive partner might respond, "Thank you for letting me in, I really value your trust." 4. Being selective without being hasty. It's great to have high standards, after all, you won't be happy settling for less than you deserve. But before you dismiss someone over a minor flaw, give them a chance to show their true colors. Sometimes, the most amazing people don't shine right away, especially if you're used to looking for red flags. For instance, a wonderful partner might be right in front of you, but if you're too quick to judge, you might miss their brilliance. Instead of jumping to conclusions, ask open-ended, curious questions like, "Can you tell me more about how you see that?" This helps you learn more about her while keeping an open mind, and it might just prevent you from overlooking someone truly special. 5. Balancing mystery and openness. There's something undeniably appealing about maintaining an air of mystery, but you don't want to be so enigmatic that you leave your partner guessing. Before meeting someone new, think about which parts of your life, your hobbies, goals, or dreams, you'd feel comfortable sharing. Planning ahead like this can help you feel more prepared and confident. For example, you might decide to talk about a passion project you're working on or a place you've always wanted to visit. By offering more than just vague hints, you give her a glimpse into your world while still keeping some things under wraps, which keeps the intrigue alive. Here's a unique rewrite of the original content, with the key information preserved in a friendly, conversational tone. 1. Struggle introverts face is communicating their introversion. Let people know you're a great listener and enjoy deep conversations. If they are an introvert, they'll understand. If they are an extrovert, explaining your experience can be eye-opening. They may not fully empathize but will know what to expect. Hopefully, they'll appreciate you sharing about your need for limited social interactions. Another challenge is blunt communication. I've practiced being more delicate in my delivery with close friends. People are often more influenced by how you make them feel than the facts. Finesse is an art, while directness is a strength. Interactions improve with some gentleness, small talk, and even humor. Stay true to yourself while softening your approach. Your friends may be lifelong appreciators of your authentic self. To meet potential partners, expand your horizons by joining clubs or groups related to your interests. You'll meet new people who may click with your unique personality, even if the group itself doesn't attract many women. Put yourself out there by talking to others at events aligned with your passions. When you connect with someone special, express your need for solo time early on. A partner who respects your space is a great match, especially if they also need alone time. Monitor yourself to ensure you're not avoiding intimacy as self-sabotage. Thank them for understanding your needs. While interactions aren't always ideal, making an effort helps you grow. In summary, some secrets to lasting love for introverted men: embrace your natural swagger and charisma by being genuine. Prioritize quality over quantity in relationships. Looks aren't everything. Communicate openly, even if it's challenging. Maintain a sense of mystery while gradually letting her get to know you. Let's dive into our fifth secret: investing in self-growth. Never stop learning and growing, especially when it comes to understanding the complexities of relationships. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to overcome your own limitations. After unraveling the mysteries of relationships and tackling their challenges, you're now on a journey towards lasting love. But perhaps you're curious about whether alpha individuals have reached the finish line first. If so, you might want to watch my video on the differences between Sigma and alpha men. You'll find it enlightening and you'll learn more about yourself. Even if you identify predominantly with Sigma traits, you might be surprised to discover that you also possess some alpha qualities. Being alpha isn't about aggression or bullying, it's a more nuanced concept. No matter what label you apply or avoid, remember that dating is a learning journey. Be kind to yourself, use each experience as a chance to grow and stay true to who you are. Stay open to love and let your unique charm shine through. Finding lasting love isn't about changing who you are, it's about embracing your great, unique traits and sharing them with the right person. You've got this. Lots of love. God bless.